In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the formatter in Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Zapier is an incredible tool for automating your workflows and connecting different apps together. The formatter feature specifically helps you manipulate and format data to make it fit your project's needs. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To begin, head over to the Zapier website and log in if you haven't already. You'll land on the home screen. Here, you should see a panel on the left side where you can access your Zaps. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and look for the Create button at the top right of your screen and click it. This takes you to a new page to start making your Zap. Next, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Zaps. This is where you can view your existing Zaps or create a new one. Click on the Zaps link and it will bring you to your list of Zaps. Now, let's take a look at the action steps. Click on the Action button to begin setting up what you want Zapier to do once the trigger happens. This is where the magic really starts to take shape. After clicking on Action, you'll be prompted to choose what kind of action you'd like to perform. In this case, select Formatter. The formatter is incredibly versatile and allows you to take the data coming from your Trigger app and modify it however you need. Once you select Formatter, you will be taken to a page where you'll need to choose an event. Click on Choose an Event to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see different options for data manipulation. For our example, let's focus on numbers, so select the Numbers option. After choosing the Numbers option, click on the Continue button at the bottom right. This will take you to the Setup page where you will define the behavior of your formatter. In the next step, you'll see a prompt saying, Choose Value. Click on that to select the type of number you want to work with. Here, you can pick from various options that correspond with your previous inputs to ensure the formatter is processing the right data. At this point, you should see an option labeled ID number.randomNumber. Click to select this value. This tells the formatter that you want to work with a randomly generated number from your previous inputs. After selecting your value, hit the Continue button again. You're almost there. The next step will ask you to test what you've set up. Click on Test Step. This will allow you to confirm that everything is working correctly. If configured properly, you should see a successful notification indicating that your formatter is now ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the formatter in Zapier to manipulate numbers according to your needs. The possibilities with the formatter are vast, and it's an incredibly powerful tool that can save you a lot of time in automation work. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy automating!